1 hour. You could be your number one in fourth place. Run.
Unsere Startbahn rollen. Zusammen in Ihrem Cockpit ist der erste Offizier André Herold und die Kabinenleitung heute Abend hat der Dirk Bergmann. Dann bitte mal zu gehen. Ich sehe Flugunternehmen und freuen, dass es noch geklappt hat mit dem Flug nach Dublin. Dear guests, welcome again on our new aircraft, also Airbus 319 on your flight to Dublin. I'm happy we made it so far. Thanks for your good help. Thanks for your quick aircraft change, and everybody here who was available from our ground staff helped to load this aircraft, and the last catering is in progress, so we're good to go in a few minutes, and I expect around 1 hour delayed arrival at Dublin, but I'm happy we made it, and I'm happy that we can go to Dublin.
Today has been estimated with 1 hour and 50 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelt now and pull it tight. Kindly make sure that your hand baggage is safely stowed away and does not block the aisle or an emergency exit. Please switch off your laptop and place it in your hand baggage. You're welcome to use lighter devices such as mobile phones or tablets as long as they are in flight mode. Together with my team, I now finally wish you a pleasant stay with us. As well as later on for landing, I will dim the cabin light. If you like, there is a personal reading lamp in the panel above you.
Cabin crew, prepare for departure.